Have you ever wanted to embed a video into your Google slide presentation? Let me show you how easy that can be. So let's say I have my substitute lesson plans. I have a video that I want my students to watch. So all I have to do is go up to Insert and then go to Video, and then I can look for my YouTube video there, or if I have a link, I can include that there. So let's just go ahead and I can type and look for something like computer science vocabulary for kids and find that video right there and press insert. And you notice as soon as it comes up, we have the video right here, but it also has its format options on the right. But I can bring that video in here and I can resize it to be the size that I like. I can even, while it's highlighted, go up to this pencil and I can choose the same color that I want on the outside of it to make it match my slides, whatever I want. And so it's right there. But also I can do some other things over here in the format section. So I can have it when I click on the slide, it's going to start. I could have it where it plays automatically as soon as that slide is open, then it starts playing, or I can even have it play manually where I have to click the play button myself. So whatever option is better for you. You can even change the time that you want it to start. Maybe you don't need the very beginning of it. You can just do a section of a video. Then you can actually put that time there, or just move it over to where and find it in the video where you want it, and then press use current time. And then you can even have an end time if you only want it to be a certain clip of the video. You can do all of that right here. Another option though is maybe you have everything you want and you have given them an assignment to do, but you want a timer in the corner, or it's a timer somewhere on there. Again, all you have to do is go to Insert, Video, and then put in the timer that you might want. Just type that in there, and then you can find the timer that you want, and then press Insert, and then it's right there. Then you can just put it up here in the corner and you can have it play however you'd like it to play. And then what it will look like in your presentation is this. It comes right up there at the top, and then you can just press play while your kids are working. And you can even click this right here and it goes large screen, and then you can press escape. I hope this is helpful, and I'll catch you next time.